Hi everybody, it is Timely Teacup here again with one more quick part of my collective haul from December and January. And I forgot to add this in with my Tuesday morning haul from Bluefield, Virginia. I picked up this paper pack by Authentique called Alpine Solitude, and I paid $5.99 for it. It was a 12 by 12 pack. It had, I think, 8 double-sided papers, some journaling cards, like there was 3 or 4 sheets of journaling cards, and then a sheet of die cuts. And I already used this for a project, so I wanted to show you guys real quick what I did with it. It's just beautiful paper, and I wasn't thinking about this when I bought it. I just bought it because I liked the color and the design of the sheets. But I decided to make some dividers for my planner with it. Double-sided paper works really great for this. So this is the first divider I made. This is just a sticky note from an old Cocoa Daisy kit, and then this is a check register sheet from So Much Crafting. And then here was the second paper that I used. And then right here, I used my snowflake border punch to make a little border to attach, just to kind of add a little interest to the sheets there. These are Cocoa Daisy inserts from February, which, it was actually a B6 that I cut down, so that is not actually the way that it would look for the personal size. This is another one of those papers I used, and I did laminate them. This also is another insert from So Much Crafting. I purchased a bundle from her that had this calendar that has all 12 months on one side, and then it has this one that has 6 months on each side with my silly shopping list there, and then this one, which is a pull-out for the whole year. Let's see if we can flip over to the next one. This is the next one of the papers that I used. And then this one, which again I made a snowflake border to put on it. There's the back side. This is a covert clip from Picks and Stones, which I've had a couple years, and I unfortunately scratched a little bit of the color off. And then this is just a die cut from Illustrated Faith. I like to keep that in there to remind myself that God's got the whole world in his hands, so I don't need to worry about everything. Now, this is another one of those papers with a clip from Pockets Full of Joy double-sided vinyl bow clip, which I love those because you do get the bow on both sides. A lot of those bows like that are one-sided, so the other side you can see how the sausage is made. And then this is the last one of the papers from the Alpine Solitude kit that I used. And this is a ribbon clip that I won from 1407 planners, a couple of snowflake clips from Hobby Lobby. And I don't remember where I got that pin. So, there again, just wanted to give you guys a glimpse of how I used this Alpine Solitude kit that I bought for $5.99 at Tuesday morning. So I hope everybody is having a great day. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe if you'd like. Thank you for watching.